Hi guys, Kat here. These are freshly picked, guys, from my garden. These are freshly picked coriander or cilantro seeds. Now, I don't know if you're gonna find this at the stores because I've never seen it sold at the stores, but the cilantros are very easy to grow. So if you're a gardener or love to garden, I totally recommend that you grow some cilantro so that you can get these beautiful cilantro seeds. Now, most people at this stage, they would probably let the seeds grow until it's completely brown and completely dry before they pick them. But I love to pick them while they're at this stage, while they're still green and young, because the aroma, the flavor is much more intense, much more stronger when they're still green and young like this versus the dried coriander seeds. Okay, so here I have a bowl of the seeds that were cut already and washed, ready to be used. Beautiful, guys. The smell is so fabulous. Oh, one good thing about cilantro seeds is that you can freeze them. If you have a lot, freeze them because they last a very long time. Actually, I had some that lasted me 2 years, and believe me, the smell, the aroma is still very, very strong and intense, just like the very first day that you picked it. So that's what's great about these. They are great to freeze. So you can use anytime you need them, okay? So I'm gonna show you 2 ways of how I use these seeds, all right? Okay guys, I'm gonna be making 2 different types of my favorite pepper paste using the coriander seeds. You're gonna need a pestle and mortar, okay? My first pepper paste is gonna be this one. You're gonna need about a teaspoon of the coriander seeds or cilantro seeds, 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna add some mushroom bouillon, granulated mushroom bouillon. Okay, about 1 teaspoon as well. And if you don't have mushroom bouillon, you can use the chicken bouillon. Okay, so either one is fine. And we're gonna add also some tamarind powder. I'm gonna use about 1/4 teaspoon tamarind powder. And this is the type that I like to use, the tamarind powder. Okay, see that? All right. And we're gonna smash these up. Mash it and bring out the coriander aroma. Okay, like that. Okay, next we're gonna add some chili peppers. This is fresh chili peppers that I chopped first because it's much more easier if you pre-chop it when using a metal mortar. Okay, so these are the type of chilies that I'm using. Let's throw that in there with our okay, and then we're gonna smash it some more gently so you don't get in your eyes. Okay, you can see that. And lastly, we're gonna add some fish sauce. Add as little as much as you like, but don't add too much, it's gonna be too salty. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon. Give it a taste here. Perfect. Maybe a little bit more of the tamarind powder, just a little bit more. Okay. If you like it more sour, add more of the tamarind, but just accordingly to your preference, guys. And that's it. This is one way we use the coriander seeds. Okay. And voila! This is one of my all-time favorite pepper paste with coriander seeds or cilantro seeds. Very simple, tasty, spicy chili pepper paste. Okay, so this is one of my favorite. I'm going to show you one more. Roasting some chili and some garlic. Until it's like that. For the second pepper paste, we're going to do the same thing. Add a teaspoon of the coriander seed or cilantro seed, 1 teaspoon of the mushroom bouillon or chicken bouillon. Okay. Also 1/4 teaspoon of the tamarind powder. And we're going to smash these up. Okay, so this is the roasted chili peppers and roasted garlic. I pre-chopped or pre-blended first to make it easier to smash. Okay, so in it goes with our coriander seeds there. And make sure you incorporate it so that the seeds all the sauce paste here. I'm gonna add some fish sauce, a teaspoon, or add more if you think it needs more. It's all up to you, you guys. And taste. The roasted pepper and the cilantro seed, so nice together, pairs, and that's what it looks like. Very easy, very simple. Another version of a pepper paste, one of my favorites. And voila, roasted chili paste with coriander seeds or cilantro seeds. Two very similar pepper paste, but yet tastes very different, because one's roasted and this one is with fresh peppers. Which one would you like? I love them both. All I need is sticky rice, some barbecue meats or any type of meats, chicken, pork, beef, fish, anything that you want. Add a kick to. These peppers will do. I've got some steak right here. And I'm going to add just a dab of this roasted one here. And the other fresh one here. Already taste it. Delicious. I'm just in love with the smell of the aroma of these coriander seed. That's so, smells so nice. Tastes so good too. Perfect. Alright guys, I hope you will find some fresh coriander seeds, cilantro seeds, so that you can try this recipe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.